Hi guys, in this video we're going to show you how to extend your fence post and an easy way to install a fence post extension to increase your garden fence height. In order to extend the fence, I have chosen to use trellis metal extension arms, and if you're wondering what one of these looks like, I'll leave a link in the description for you. And I can also zoom in to give you a quick close-up. As you can see, there's pre-made holes which you can use to secure onto the concrete posts. Firstly, what I do is put the trellis extension onto the post and then carefully mark out where I'm going to put the holes. So first I'm going to drill some pilot holes with this. Then just after making the pilot holes, I would use a bigger hammer drill to get through the concrete post. A little tip when using a hammer drill: if it's quite powerful, don't push too much, otherwise it will just blow a hole right through. So if you're not intending to put a hole right through, don't put too much pressure. So once I install that, I put a few wooden bands in between, just to close the gap for now. So essentially what I've done here is modified my current short posts so they can accommodate large 2-foot fences, and I used a metal trellis extension to do just that. And that all across. Now it's time to remove the actual fence, and it always helps to have a second person. The main reason for having a second person is not necessarily because the fence is heavy, but instead it's because you need to keep it leveled as you're moving it out. As long as it falls this way on the top. Yeah. Yours quick before she comes on helps. As you can see in the snapshot, we're using 3 people to put a 2-foot fence up, and my mother-in-law came all the way from London to make us tea. Only joking, she actually came to help us quite a lot. Here goes our first attempt to slot the fence in. One of the biggest tips I can give you when putting up a fence together is to work well as a team.
Yeah, how do I fit there?
Now I'm wasting energy.
I'm asking you something.
You have to work it out.
So while they're arguing, I'll show you what I did to lift up the fence if it's just you on the top. So you can attach a string, as you can see on the left hand side, and you can use that as an anchor point to actually lift up the fence with just 2 arms.
Listen, go and get the letter. It's not listening. And I stand there and I can at least lift it up, isn't it?
Can we at least try?
You're not listening. Then again. Ready?
You know when the wind
And here goes attempt number 2.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, wait, go down. The wind's
I told you.
top to the okay.
Wait, are you ready to do it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, are you okay with that? Go, 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 go.
Is that go?
Wait.
This side in?
Yeah. Okay.
Is that side straight? It's straight though.
There you go.
Did?
But we struggled for nearly 2 hours here.
No, we just
Do you know how many times we went backward and forward?
There, I proved them wrong.
Well done. did I?
Yeah, I proved them wrong. And see, what did they say? Go get the ladder, go get the ladder.
Oh no, I didn't know.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, lift you down. Wait, yeah, it's not windy, so let's see how high we can go. When I say put it down, look, when I say put it down, put it back down. Yeah, okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, now it needs to be like more stable.
Yeah.
Got it? Got
Yeah.
it?
Just slowly drop it in, just rock it in.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
put that.
Can you push it any more that side? Down.
Yeah, done. Different level than the other one. But we can sort that out after.
Do you want me to stop this? Hello?
Yeah.
Now that just leaves us with one more fence to put at the back of the garden in this particular area.
Is that okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Your side.
Yeah, but someone needs to push the bracket as well.
And sometimes you just gotta improvise.
Done it.
Now it's time to make the fence post extensions look pretty.
So I got that there. So I've got to cut it at an angle so it slots in the concrete post here. So I'll measure the angle with this and then I'll slice off a little pizza slice and it should slot into place. So get my angle, measure it there, drop it down, bring it down here. So that is 113.9. Can you see about there? You can see I've marked out just there, and to see more detail, basically cut that chunk out right. Okay, so I clamped up the piece of wood I put in the middle there. It's all clamped up with the fence. I pre-drilled a hole here, and let's get in. That's one. Pre-drill a hole now, top side. Last screw. One, two, done. Then I'll close this off. Hello, say something.
Well done, Jonathan.
Thank you. I know.
Fucking wrong.
Oh no, aren't you going to miss your bus?
Run! Oh, it's left, it's left. It's leaving. It's left her.